I'm about to bring one of my favorite masterminds up from the Speak Your Way to Cash. Now, all the masterminds are my favorite, but she like my favorite, because when I went to Jamaica, she took real good care of me, okay? I'm telling you, this sister is on fire, and I appreciate her each and every way, her and her husband, as I began to read her bio. Micca Watkins is an accomplished. Look at her husband coming to the front. That's how you know you got a good man. He came straight to the front. He finna help her to the stage. We got this, bro. Let me start over. You just threw me off, sir. Micca Watkins is an accomplished executive and master life coach, specializing in relationship coaching for professionals. With the dedication to helping individuals live their best life, Micca has earned a reputation as a dynamic and results-driven coach. Leveraging her extensive experience and expertise, Micca has worked with clients to overcome obstacles, achieve their goals, and realize their full potential, whether it's excelling in their careers, improving relationships, or finding greater fulfillment in life. Micca is committed to helping her clients. Micca's coaching style is supportive, empowering, action-oriented. She incorporates mindfulness, self-awareness into her coaching, enabling clients to achieve greater clarity, focus, and inner peace. Somebody say inner peace. Nothing like it. With her dynamic energy and infectious passion, Micca inspires and empowers individuals to reach their full potential and live their best lives. I need you to stand to your feet for one of my favorite people from Jamaica, Kingston, Jamaica. I need you to put your hands together for Micca Watkins.
Mac, I'm going in.
Let's go. What?
A millionaire, I'm a young money millionaire, tougher than Nigerian hair. My criteria compared to your career just isn't fair. I'm a venereal disease, like a menstrual bleed through the pink so endly on the sheet of the tablet in my mind. Cause I don't write, cause I ain't got time. Cut my seconds, minutes, hours, go to the almighty dollar and the almighty power of that chopper, sister, brother, son, daughter.
ATL, let's go, let's go. Listen, I need to take Lunchabelle with me every city I go to. She's introduced me. I was like, oh, she's talking about me. Like, for real, she's talking about me. I love it. I love it, y'all. I am here today to talk to you about $1 million relationships. How many people have learned something so far about making more money? More money, more money. All right. Now, I know Speak Your Way to Cash, right? They do a lot of events, okay? So it's like 5 or 6, and it's like June. For the last 2 days, I know some of y'all have learned about making millions from the stage. Who's been out millions from the stage? All right. So I know we got some millionaires in the house, all right? So y'all are really gonna resonate with this, okay? All right, 22. Who can guess what this number is? Nobody. It's not 2022. That was last year. It's not 2022. 22 million millionaires in the United States since February of this year. This is fresh. Some of y'all are in this room right now. I know you're not gonna raise your hand because you're like, I don't want nobody to know I'm making no money. That's my business, but it's all good. It's all good. But why is it important? I'm here to let y'all know that the same way you're focusing on building your bank, making your money, you need to be thinking about who you are doing that with. Who you are choosing to have in your life to share that legacy with is just as important as stacking that cash, all right? Did you know that of those 22 million millionaires, 86% of them are married or in a committed relationship? So I love math. I did accounting in college. I didn't work in it because I was like, I got to go back to school. It's going to be too much school. I can't be bothered. I'm 40 and I'm still learning, like, whatever. 86% of these millionaires are married or in a committed relationship. So that tells me there must be something about doing it with somebody else that helps you to stack that cash, right? Yes, yes? Yeah. If I say something and y'all resonate with me, please say yes, yes. Let me know you're hearing me, all right? All right, cool. All right, and the studies that they're doing, all this research, it's also shown that these married folk say that they more likely accumulate more money compared to unmarried people. So I'm gonna take a poll. Y'all don't shoot me. I'm just speaking here for like 6 more minutes, all right? Where are the married people in the house? Raise your hand. Yes. Yeah, go married folks, all right. Where are the unmarried people that would like to be married? Raise your hand. Yay! All right, y'all. All right, all right, all right. So you guys are on the verge of becoming a power couple. Anybody ever heard of the term power couple? Anybody? All right, cool. So I'm gonna go through this quick. A power couple are two people who are influential and successful in their own right, all right? Now, I'm gonna show y'all some examples. Well, first of all, this is Ebony Williams. Y'all heard her story a few weeks ago. She broke the internet. Iyanla was like, would you date a bus driver? She was like, not if he didn't own the bus company. She broke the internet. Everybody was like on both sides. But the thing about it is, Ebony was stating her preferences. Y'all heard Lunchbell. She told you I'm a matchmaker, right? I love what I do. The thing with matchmaking is clients come to us, tell us what they want, the type of person they want to be with, and we go out and we find that for y'all because y'all are busy. You're CEOs. You're doing your thing. So I'm going to show y'all some examples of power couples. They knew what they wanted, and they found it in their people. Not perfect relationships, but they found them, right? Y'all know who this couple is? Yes, yes, if you know who this couple is. All right, all right. 20-year plus relationship. All right, what about this couple? Yes. Ice Cube actually did a video the other day, and he said that he attributes his success to being with his wife. Like, I was like, yeah, Rio, your success is because of me. Like, for real. For real, for real. He said it. I mean, he said it, all right? All right, y'all. What about this couple? Obama and Michelle? Yes, 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 yes. Michelle, the other day, she was like, I didn't even like Obama for like 10 years of a relationship. Like, it was hard. And people are like, am I supposed to be unhappy for 10 years in my marriage? No, but that she sacrificed because she said she would never trade those 10 years for the 20 that she gained in all the bliss that they've had, right? So sometimes that's what you do in your million-dollar relationships. You got to make a sacrifice somewhere. What about this beautiful couple? Hey! Dynamic example of a power couple, okay? Ashley and Chris are the reason why we are all here today, y'all, and I absolutely love, love, love them. But here's the thing. We love you too. Here's the thing, y'all. When you are thinking about becoming a power couple, there's a system, a dynamic that we teach. It's our company. It's called PowerMate. One thing I need you to take away, before you become a power couple, you, yourself, you have to be a power mate. All right? This is a perfect example of a power mate couple. Y'all might know these two people. I don't know. Maybe. Maybe. So, Rio and I, hey, Rio. Rio and I, we've been in a relationship now for about 6 years, married, going on 5, divorced and healed. There is love after divorce. Do not let nobody tell you that just because you broke up, just because you ended up in divorce, you cannot find love again. Don't put yourself in that box, because it is absolutely possible. Best-selling author, relationship expert, and matchmaker, and we coach executives, y'all. We help executives find love so that they can have that partnership on the way to their legacy, all right? 4 things you need in a power mate relationship. Please take this down, okay? Chemistry, compatibility, durability, and sustainability. If you have those 4 in any relationship, remember, no relationship is perfect. You are going to have to do some work. But if you have these 4, you will definitely make it with a life partner so you can have these great relationship experiences, right? Now, I'm going to give you quickly 3 keys that you as entrepreneurs could use to find success in your $1 million relationship. And I'm going to use something y'all are really familiar with, CTA, all right? Y'all might know what it's called to action, but in this case, the C stands for communication. A lot of people might say, you know, the number one reason for divorce or breakup is finances or intimacy or maybe lack of intimacy or whatever it is. But in all those cases, the number one reason is the lack of effective communication. These studies, I was doing my research, 87% of successful entrepreneurs actually attribute their success to strong communication skills. You use these in your personal relationships, you use these in your business relationships. It's essential in every single relationship that you have. It is absolutely key. The second, actually, these are 3 takeaways that I'm gonna give you for communication. Listen to your partner. If you want vulnerability in a relationship, you have to be vulnerable, right? Pay attention to cues, nonverbal cues, body language, facial expression. Even when you're not having dialogue, you can definitely pick up when there's something not going right. The next takeaway is teamwork. I'm gonna give y'all a very quick story. You see these folks here on the bike? Last year, me, my husband, and his mom went to the beach for her birthday. She was like, oh, I want to ride a bike. We're like, cool. So we got on one of those bikes where it was like 4 people that's supposed to sit on there, right? Me and Rio were in the front, we're pedaling away. She's in the back. At first, we were like, oh, this is good, this is easy. And then it got hard. Rio started sweating, like I had to be patting him down. I was like, what's going on? I turn around, and she's in the back like doing videos and taking selfies, and she stopped pedaling. So imagine if one of these dudes falls off the side of this bike. That would be me and Rio at the beach pedaling his mom because she stopped pedaling. She dropped the teamwork. Having supportive team players, it adds to your success in your relationships, right? 3 takeaways when it comes to teamwork. Be clear on your partner's strengths and weaknesses. Support each other in your relationship and embrace collaboration, right? The last one is authenticity. I'm just gonna leave this with you. Be you. The most attractive thing is being yourself when you're showing up in any relationship, right? Y'all agree? Yes, yes? Yes, yes, yes. Now, 3 takeaways when it comes to authenticity. Embrace your own uniqueness. Celebrate the differences between you two. God did not make y'all the same. You're 2 individuals, but you've come together in this power-mate relationship so you can complement each other. Respect each other's boundaries. He has a life, I have a life. We come together and we have a life together. Be open and transparent with your intentions. Y'all do not have to wait 2, 3, 5 years to let somebody know that you do not want to get married. Let them know from the very beginning, and if you are on the same page, then you continue to get to know each other. Y'all, we talked about teamwork, right? We're here in this room in Atlanta. This is teamwork, so I need y'all to help me out. I got a gift for y'all. We created a quiz so that you can determine what your communication style is. That is the number one reason for breakup in relationships and divorce. If you figure out your communication style and you understand your partner's communication style, then you can work out a strategy or a plan so that you can communicate effectively. So when you scan this QR code, it's gonna take you to a page, and I want you to enter the code CTA. The first thing it's gonna ask y'all to do is give me some feedback. Y'all, did I do all right today? Did I do all right? All right. So let me know. I'd like to know. I would love to know. The first thing I want y'all to do is give me some feedback. Let me know. Just a few questions to let me know how I did here today. After that, you're going to get to a screen that says, grab my bonus. That is the communication quiz. And when you answer a few questions, it's going to let you know what your communication style is and also the communication style that you're most compatible with. All right? So if you have any questions, feel free. You can text me if for whatever reason this don't work, because I know technology and how it goes. Text, what? Okay, good. Text me at that number if you have any questions at all, or scan that QR code and email me and let me know what your communication style is. All right, y'all? Thank you for having me here today, Speaker Rated Cash. That is my time.
I was born to flex, diamonds on my neck. I like boarding jets, I like more than sex. But nothing in this world that I like more than checks. Money. All I really wanna see is the. I don't really need a D, I need the. Hold it back.